Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video we are going to discuss about an AI tool which has many different AI templates for writing alone, and also it has having unique options for writing. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool. So before going to that AI tool, we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI toolbox. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools useful for research article preparation, and also we are going to explore different types of ChatGPT prompts and how to use that ChatGPT prompts in ChatGPT to generate a best research related content. So these are the things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Assistr.ai. So you can see here Assistr.ai. So here, so you will be having a dashboard like this. Here you can log in with your Google mail ID, Gmail ID. So after that you can see the dashboard. So here we will go and check one by one. So first we will click on the option called create content. So in that you will be having different options. So around 68 tools for different different templates regarding with 68 tools. So here you can see articles and blogs, ads and marketing, general writing, e-commerce, social media, web copy, website copy, others. So in order to make use of this AI tool for our research article writing, so you can see what are the different writing option, text extender option, paraphrasing options are available in this particular AI tool. So here you can see paraphrasing tool. So it will paraphrase or rephrase your content whenever your paper is subjected to plagiarism. So you can use this kind of tools. Next, text extender. If you want to increase the words, number of words in your article, so you can use this text extender. Next you can see summary generator. So it will generate a better summary for a lengthy content. So next one is paragraph rewriter. This paragraph rewriter rewrite the whole paragraph. So there is the possibility of reducing plagiarism will be more. So next one is article rewriter. So here you can see it will revitalize your content with article rewriter. So and rephrase all the content in the articles also. And also we can see what are the other different writing options available in this is, you can see here paragraph generator. So it will generate a better paragraph by giving an intro. It will generate a paragraph. So apart from that you can see AI article outlines. You can generate outline. For example, if you are going to write a thesis or a project report, you can make use of this option. So next one is AI article ideas, article intros. So like that. Next one is conclusion writer. So you can make a better conclusion using this kind of templates. So next one is that you can see content rephraser, content shortener. So if you want to reduce the number of words in your research paper, you can use this content shortener. So after that, this are all related with your social media platform. So these are the different options available for writing alone. So we will explore some important options. So here you can see paraphrasing tool. I am going to click paraphrasing tool. So here you have to copy and paste the content which is to be paraphrased. For example, say I have generated a content from ChatGPT. So I am going to copy and paste the particular page, that is a paragraph here, and then copy and paste in Assistr. So here, as like in other AI tools, you can select the tone of voice. So here you can see different tone of voices are available: professional, friendly, informative, conversational, persuasive, inspirational, sarcastic, humorous, authoritative. So like that. So I am going to give it as a professional only. So after that you can click on generate. So let us see how it will works out. So here you can see the content is that whole the content is paraphrased. So you can see this solution showcases the immense capabilities and effectiveness of a differential evolution algorithm in optimizing economic emission load dispatch for power plants. Though it's a dynamic adjustment of power generation parameters, the algorithm achieves remarkable reductions. So like that it will paraphrase the content very better. So you can make use of this option to paraphrase the content. Here you can edit whatever you want. So here you can click on that and you can select or edit. So like that you can edit the generated content also. So next tool what we are going to is summary generator. So here text to summary. So I am going to give a option called that is copy and paste the same content. Here you can see summary type, it's like human like content or key points. So there are two possible options are available. This is one of the unique feature. So you can give whatever you want. So if you want as a key points, the summarized version, the key points are bullet points, you can click on key points. Or else if you want to make that content like a human written content, so you can use this kind of option called human like content. After that you will be having different languages are available, probably around more than 35 to 50 languages will be available here. So you can make use of this option also. So I am using the default word, that is the default language, that is English. After click generate. So let us see how it will work out and how it will generate content in that human like. So here you can see in this text to summarize, you will be you will be having the points called the solution demonstrates the power and efficiency of a differential evolution algorithm in optimizing economic emission. So like that it will start. So after you are giving it as a human like content, here you can see the differential evolution algorithm is capable of efficiently optimizing economic emission load dispatch for power plants. It adjusts the power generation parameters to minimize the fuel cost. So like that it will convert into a human like content. So whenever if you are subjected to AI detection or plagiarism detection in any plagiarism checking tool, so you can use this option called summarize. In this summarize you will be having two different unique options. So this is a unique option in I can say it's a unique option in this AI tool. So you will be summarize it as a human like content. So click on human like and summarize. Then you can get rid of plagiarism and also AI direction in your research paper. So this is a better option where you can convert your AI generated content or plagiarized content into a human like content very easily. So you can make use of this option summarize. In this you can select human like content. So this is one of an unique option in this AI tool. So after that you can see paragraph rewriter. So it's like the same as a paraphrasing tool. Next you can see sentence rewriter. So here I am going to click sentence rewriter. So why I have chosen this again as a rewriter means, here you can see elevate your text with the sentence rewriter, ideal for refining sentences, enhancing readability and ensure originality. A go-to tool for bloggers, students and professionals. Here it will improve the quality of your sentences. For example, say I am going to copy and paste the same content here. I am stick with a particular sentence alone. For example, say this I will delete this point. So I am going to give this sentence alone. So that is this solution demonstrates the power and efficiency of a differential evolution algorithm in optimizing economic emission load dispatch for power plants. By dynamically adjusting the power generation parameters, the algorithm successfully minimizes fuel cost, emission cost and maintains power balance. So here you can see this is the option in this sentence rewriter. So you can select tone of voice as professional. So most probably for research article preparation we use the option professional or formal. So after then click on generate. So let us see how it will elevate the content. So here you can see the solution showcases the efficacy and potency of the differential evolution algorithm in optimizing economic emission load dispatch for power plants. Through dynamic adjustments of power generation parameters, the algorithm effectively minimizes fuel cost, emission cost and ensures power equilibrium. Whenever you got a comment from the reviewer that improve the quality of your research paper, or else you can improve the language quality of your research paper, or else you can change the sentence which is not that much up to the mark for this journal. So like that you can get comments from the reviewer. So in order to make a quality sentence, you can make use of this option called sentence to rewrite, and you can rewrite the sentence also, and you can improve the quality of the particular sentence. The richness of the particular sentence has to be improved as you can easily change the sentences and you can give answers to your reviewer also. So like that you can make use of this option, this sentence to rewrite. So apart from this, as I have already told, you will be having other options also. So we will explore next options, that is AI image generator. So here you can see you have 5 images you can do for free. So here you can select what is the type of painting, so oil painting. Next you can select the type of dimensions, an example artist optional, so like that. So here you can see cartoon depiction of a superhero dog with a cape flying above a city. So after you will be getting, you can give any that is prompt here. So for example, say I am going to give a prompt like that. Here you can see here I have asked for cross section of a DC motor. So in this I have given oil painting and the dimensions. After that it will generate a content like this. So if you want a image to be generated instantly, you can make use of this option to generate the content. So you can download this image also. So like that you can use this for generating images. So next one is AI code. So here you can give code, what is the programming language you want or what version of the language you need answer. So and also you can give description of the code, explain it to like that. You can have different option. So these are the unique options, where other AI tools have only one option. So what is the topic you want to generate, what is the code code topic you want to generate. So like that only ask. Here you will be having different options like program, what is the type of programming language version, description of the code, and also explanation of the code. So it is a unique option available in this Assistr.ai. So if you want to generate code, you can make use of this option. So next one is AI speech to text generation. So you can convert your speech, you can choose your audio file you have recorded and you can convert into text. And also you can see another option called AI voiceover. So in this you can have a new voiceover. You can select whatever the voice you want and you can make a voiceover also. So these are the different options available in this Assistr.ai. So here you can have also affiliate links. So if you give this affiliate links, so you will be having a commission while someone has joined this particular Assistr.ai. So if you are interested in, you can go for this option. And also you will be having different plans related with this particular Assistr.ai. So here you can see the different subscription plans. So in this growth plan is $10 per month. In this professional plan it is around $25 per month. So here these are the different options for the particular plans. So you can use 30,000 words. Here you can use unlimited words. So you can access to 200 plus templates, 50 image generation, here unlimited image generation. So like the different options for this subscription plans also available. So here and unique this Assistr.ai has unique templates. So especially we have discussed detailedly about the summarize, that is convert into a human-like text generation. So that will be a better option for all the researchers to work with. So you can make use of this option in this Assistr.ai and get rid of the plagiarism problem in your research paper. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.